It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board the 42-foot Kadey-Krogen, and we're going to be doing a quick startup video for you on this boat. And since the engine was rebuilt, I believe it has about 1,078 hours on it since that rebuilt time. They did take this boat to Alaska. They had a long cruise on it. The boat ran flawlessly for them. They did all the upgrades for their once-in-a-lifetime cruise to Alaska. So here we go. We're going to do a startup video. It's a 120 horsepower Ford Lehman diesel. It's a dead cold start. We're going to turn the starter key, low oil pressure. We're going to give it a touch of throttle. And we're going to hit the starter button. And it fired right up. Nice and quiet. Pull back the throttle. You can see the temp gauge is not registering because that's a dead cold start. We got a good oil pressure and we're charging 14 volts right now. Taking a look out the front, we have great visibility out of this boat. As I said, I ran this boat over from the islands the other day. It was super windy and rough. The boat did not miss a beat whatsoever. I feel very confident in this model boat. When you run across the Strait of Georgia and it's blowing 20, 25, and there's 6-8 foot swells running because the tide against current. The boat really ran nicely. So as we come out the back, I always like to show you the smoke. There's a little bit of smoke coming out the back. It's a cold engine right now. It's blowing the right color, which is white. It's what we want. What a great looking boat. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. 30 years in business doing this. I've been selling boats for a lot longer than that and in the marine business my whole career. So we'd love to show you this boat. This is a startup video on our 42-foot Kadey-Krogen trawler with a Ford Lehman diesel engine, and it rebuilt by North Harbor Diesel in Anacortes, Washington. This boat is available for sale. Give us a call, 604-708-1980. Thanks for watching our startup video on our 42-foot Kadey-Krogen.